That's my brother cause he was in the field. That's my brother, don't know how it feel. Now niggas acting like they not the bros. Who's gonna hold you real tight when you're wall on the back? Who's gonna fight you for your life when you're back on the wall? And it just started clutching my K. Now that gun I was touching my knife. Middle school would turn me to a demon. Elementary depressed and grieving. Elementary had 2 other friends. I lied. Pills. Pop me the pills. Chickity. Little stars. Falls.
Cause he was in the field. That's my brother, don't know how it feel. They be like, you like, stop popping these pills. I'm just trying to see life for the real. Niggas be switching like some dollar bills. For some bitches they didn't even kill. Man, I die by no bitch anymore. Rose of a hoes, but I stick to the code. I remember them days when we still on the stoves. Honey bun 50 cents from the stoves. Now niggas jacket, that niggas